It's Black Month! I mean, Friday. This is Groundeffected. My name is your dad. Right, so it is obviously Black Friday coming up, which means as a content creator, I'm obliged to give you every single link of every single product I have used over the last year so that you can get it at a better price than what it was like a month ago, because last month they increased the price. But anyway, we're getting digressed a little bit. This video's sole purpose is to tell you that there are links. Of course, this is not in any way a financial advice channel, and so thus forth you should never use my opinion in order to make your financial choices. But if you were going to make any choices with your financials, then use one of our links, because it won't cost you any more, and I might be able to give Frankie a little bit of money. Probably not though. Depending on the company, not all companies do this whole Black Friday thing, and to be honest, I really don't give a about the Black Friday. Frankie put the dolphin sound over the top of that. But the way that I see it is that if they are going to be doing anything cheaper, well, now is probably the best time to get it, because there are a couple of companies who really get sucked into this whole Black Friday thing, and some of them are definitely worth the deal in order to get yourself a little bit of some smackers off of your maccas. This is on sale. This is on sale. This is on sale. These are on sale. This is on sale. This is probably also on sale. So a lot of people get confused about these two machines because they look exactly the frickin' same. Other than the word Pro written on that one, there is no difference, except for the fact that there is a slight difference. The light on this one is a 395 and that's a 405. But really, if you're gonna get a GK3, you don't need the Pro, you probably just need the T. And if you get the T, that's because it's got the thin little lead screw and not the ball screw. But I also want to mention something else, because everybody's still confused about the differences between GK3 Pro, T and Ultra. Look at the size. If I go like this, it's smaller. The Ultra's bigger, the T is smaller, and the T and the Pro is not really that much difference. And to be totally honest, you can get this one on a special if you are thinking about a uniformation machine. It is a lot cheaper than it has been throughout the entire year. One of the only deals that isn't gone up in price before dropping in price when you're about to purchase on your Black Friday. I want to also mention that you can get the T and a curing station with a washing station as well, and that's a whole bundle price. But in my opinion, just get the T, don't bother with the washing station. You could probably get a cheaper washing station with the curing machine on a different Black Friday deal, which might be a link in the description down below, because Frankie will probably put it there. I know I definitely won't. But if he doesn't, I will probably beat him. Now, of course, I am affiliated with Uniformation, which means I have some codes. If you go into the description and you look and click on a link, make sure to copy the code, because you'll get a little bit extra off. That's just because that's what I do. This is the Elegoo S4U, and whilst looking up the prices of all the machines, when it comes down to what machine I'm going to want to buy and put my money into, and you haven't got one, well, I would probably consider looking at one of these bad boys, because I'm pretty sure we saw this for under 300 bucks, which is an incredible price for this kind of quality machine. And so if you are looking for your first one, have a look there first before you drop the 500 odd for this lovely GK3T. But of course, it all comes down to your preferences. Again, I'm not your financial advisor, neither am I your dad. We have curated a list of other hobby items within the description, and within the hobby itself in the description of the description, such as paints, and the like. Now, I do want to mention quickly that not really any of these small companies do the whole Black Friday thing, especially ones that aren't, I guess, American. But what is very American is good old Amazon, who we know puts the price up to absolutely ridiculous prices anyway. So if you wanted to get the product at the correct price that it should be sold at, now is probably your time. And guess what? That gives us a little bit of money towards the channel with no extra cost to you, and I might decide to feed Frankie. One company we know we can trust with the prices is Games Workshop. Of course, their price will never be lower than what it actually is, and we'll only ever know if there's a price change when the price goes up. More importantly than any of the big companies that are got sales at the moment is you'll probably find your favorite artist has got some sales too. And if you've been thinking about supporting one of them or purchasing a model and you were just a little bit worried about the price, now is the time to go and check if they have a sale on some of their items. Hopefully you might be able to help them buy their kid a Christmas present this year. And speaking of kids, don't be like a kid in a candy shop and just click buy now on whatever it is that you find, even if it is in my description or any of your favorite creators' descriptions. Bearing in mind that these sales take place in different forms across different platforms. At the same time as we all know that the sales of nowadays is not the sales of yesteryears. You're actually not getting a flat screen TV for 50 bucks anymore, and they've just taken 50 bucks off the price that they inflated by 150 last week. So do make sure that you check these things. Just check across different platforms to make sure you're getting the right deal for you. Now, of course, the only reason that I made this video is because it's an obligatory thing that content creators need to do in order to make themselves a little bit of extra cookie dough. Now, of course, we did spend a couple of days looking for links to try and make sure we found the best deals that we could, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it is the correct or best deal. So, like I said, I just don't want anybody to buy anything based off of a video, and this video was just a little bit of fun, but a necessary evil if you want to be able to earn any money making a content creator. Let's just be totally honest, that's the only way we can do this. So, of course, once you have decided what you're going to decide, make sure that you wash your hands after getting off that toilet, mate, and click the like button because you know you like it. And if you didn't like it, well, then I really don't care, and it's now time for you to just f off. The thing is, the distance from there to here, I think maybe I could maybe.
But
I'm gonna get stuck. Frankie, it doesn't go in. It doesn't go in. I can't get my foot.
So we've just destroyed the box for no reason.
No, we haven't destroyed it. I promise.
Do we just do the shot like this?
No. I need to just get my foot in, but I can't. It's getting stuck.
Nailed it. First try.
I don't know if I can crouch in it though. Oh my fucking god. I can't do it, Frankie. Actually, imagine if you were rubbing it. This is Groundeffected. Climb on my table then. Ah, my legs don't move like they're supposed to move anymore. Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Oh, there is a Spider-Man up here though. Okay.